To start drawing a hand, you can make a square, and this will be the base of your hand. This will be the back of your hand. And you have 4 points that your fingers sprout from, and 1 point down here where your thumb sprouts from. And we're going to make a triangle from roughly this point on the hand that goes down, doesn't quite go past the line, and meets back where the thumb is. And now we can start making the joints in the fingers where the bones are. This would be 1 bone, 2 bone, 3 bone, right? And then the end of the finger is there. Keep doing that. Remember, the middle finger is the longest finger, so make sure to keep that extended a little higher than the index finger and the ring finger. And also make sure to remember that the pinky ends where the second knuckle ends. It's just a lot shorter. And then the thumb starts off there at the end of this triangle. That's your first joint. Now we need a second and third. A little smaller there and a little smaller here. And now we have the skeleton of a hand. And now we can draw on top of this. This will be the thumb. We're going to make a little bulge here for the thumb pad. Then we're going to follow this triangle and curve up to the index finger. Oh, and another thing. This first knuckle here, the thumb should be able to curve up to the first knuckle if you want to proportion it correctly. And we can follow up the side of this bone here. Curve and stop. This curve is the pad of the finger. We're going to do the same for the middle finger. Curve and stop. Make our way down. Same for the ring finger. Curve and stop. Make our way down. Curve and stop for the pinky. Make a little bump here for the knuckle. And then follow the side of that there, and boom, you got a hand.